does that exhaust sound? I'm going to change the baffles, and I want you to hear it before and after, okay? Listen to that. So anyway, listen to the exhaust. That's without the baffles. I want to put the baffles in, try to remember how it sounds now, and then I'll let you hear how it sounds with the baffles in. Now you should let it cool down, right? Oh, it's hot out here. Why do I have the baffles out? I don't know, because I wanted it as loud as I could get. How hot is it? But I got these tips on here too, these fancy tips. How hot is it? Not too hot. They got a 4mm Allen screw holding these tips on. Sometimes I take the tips off or I turn them out that way, you know, like bologna cut tips. Pretty neat. Hot. Oh, look at that. See, I put them like that sometimes. That's cool. And then the baffle goes in, makes it quieter. You know that, but see which one we prefer. I had them out for years, and I think I'm ready for a little smoother tone. That is not too hot. These have an Allen screw, and they go. They're behind here, so this is going to be this end. Look at it. Shotgun, huh? Yeah. There's two holes back there, so one of them is going to go to the baffle, and one is going to go to the tip I got. It's fun, isn't it? Then I got to find the correct hole. Where is it? Where is it? Oh, it's here. Yeah, that's the thing. I got to put it in past my fingers, see, up to there, and screw that into there. That's tricky. I did it a lot of times already. I feel it. There. Well, it's not that hot in there, huh? That's right. I use the Allen wrench to line it up inside there. I got it. I got it. Yeah, that's one. Should I put these back in or leave them out? Should I put them in like that? That's cool, isn't it? I think that's cool. Change of scenery. All right, that one's in. Do the bottom one. Line them up. Line that hole up. There. First I fielded in the first one. Make sure I got it straight. There. Got it in that one. And that one. All right. Boy, that chrome is giving off a glare. Got it. Wonderful. Do you remember how it sounded? Sounded loud and raw. I know it's better probably for the motor to have the baffles in. Put these on. Bought these from my friend named John Barnes. They were new. He didn't use them on his Harley. These are easy to get in because they just go to one length there, see? All the way in and that way. Got that one. Well, that's hotter in the ground from the sun than it is from the exhaust. Like it like that? And baloney cut. All right, I got it. Let me show you. I don't know if you can still see it, but they're right here. I can tighten them up. You know, if you just looked at your bike, you'll see them. If you have one. Never thought I'd want a bike with saddlebags and a windshield. In fact, I know I never wanted one like that, but as I got older, I really wanted a windshield. And the saddlebags help, because I put my lunch in there, you know, because it's always time to eat. I'm going to start it now. Remember how it sounded? And then listen to it now. Oh. How's that sound? Sounds a little smoother, right? That's much quieter, much smoother. The other one sounded raw and wild. All right, thanks for watching. I just had to get your opinion. What do you think is better? Oh, we went from e-bikes to G-bikes. Gas. Smooth. That sounds a lot smoother, right? All right. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe. I'm gonna go wash my lawnmowers now. Stay tuned for that. See ya.